Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some home decor DIYs for Valentine's Day. For the first DIY, I decided to do a heart mirror flower box, and you guys have seen these boxes all over the place on YouTube, and this is nothing new, but I have the mirrors laying around in my house and I decided to use them, so why not? So the only thing that I did different was that I did that heart shape with little beads that I got from Michael, and I thought it came out so cute and classic. So once I set up my box, I cleaned it, and then I used this heart shape from the Dollar Tree foam thin to kind of trace a heart, and then I started putting all my beads with hot glue. That simple, you guys, but the turnout was so pretty. At least I think it was pretty. DIY number 2, I got this love sign from the Dollar Tree, and I think I shared this with you guys on Instagram. And honestly, I had all these DIYs done a long time ago. I just didn't have the time to edit, but I decided to use the Bling wrap to kind of wrap it around and give it a more glam. I also spray painted because, as you can see, it was like that wood color, and then I decided to add glitter where the O is to make the O stand out. And then I did use 4 mirrors from the Dollar Tree again and put them on the base. I will recommend that you guys center it because I have Jaden on my lap while I was finishing this DIY, and mine was off center. So just an FYI, try to center it because it was gonna look so much better. Out of cardstock, so I decided to use a box that I got on the mail to create the base. And then here you see me just adding the glitter. I decided to add white glitter, and this is the part that went wrong because it was off center. So just make sure you center it, but the turnout was beautiful, guys. So glam. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw this DIY already, and the one that's gonna come after this one. But this one is just a DIY napkin ring using this napkin ring from the Dollar Tree and this trim that I got at a local fabric store, and I thought it turned out so pretty and glam. It's like my style. This tic tac toe at Walmart for like $6, I think, and honestly it was cute, but you know me, I like glam, so I decided to just DIY it, use some diamond wrap and kind of give it a different vibe. I also spray painted this, and the way it came out a little funny looking is because it was so cold outside, so the paint was kind of like, you know, not the best, but it turned out so pretty at the end. So guys, the last DIY is this heart flower wreath, and everything you see here is from the Dollar Tree. Every single item here is from the Dollar Tree. So this one I decided to use white and kind of pink flowers, but it's up to you. You could use red, you could use roses, you could use anything you want, you guys, and it will look so pretty, trust me. guys, that was it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also, let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of them 5. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the family. See you guys on my next video. God bless.